Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Veena. How are you?
Yeah, fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Good, good. So all of our team joining from Siddipet?
Yes, sir. Already we have joined,
Okay, super.
and moreover, we invited the People Fame and other companies who were here.
Excellent. So they are also here
Yes, sir. They are also coming.
joining. Okay, super.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
That's good. That's good. So, team, good morning. Thanks for everyone joining our call today. So basically, I invited all our internal teams, recruiting teams from Siddipet, and our back office teams like immigration, HR, contracts, etc. And also I invited our consultants, those who are working here in US, and also I invited a few friends who may be interested to learn more about what we are trying to do. So, team, as most of you know that I have been to India recently. So someone needs to be on mute. I don't know who is that. Okay. I have to be on mute. Okay. So recently I was in India. So we started a couple of offices. One in Siddipet, exclusively for recruitment efforts, and another one in Hyderabad, which is in Madhapur, and that is basically for our software development. It's like offshore, development center. And also we are planning to open another office in Eluru for digital marketing purposes. We already hired a team, so we are setting up an office very soon there as well. And we started this AI team. That's what we are going to present. Um, we hired a few people, is a couple of people. They are like fresh from college, I can say. And they started only on 1st of August, and the team is led by Sandesh in India, who has been helping me for the last couple of years around AI. So he helps me with respect to trainings, AI, any blogs, whatever videos I do. He provides me the text and everything, write up and everything. He is like my right hand shoulder with respect to AI. So you see me only front end in all the PR campaigns, I can say, attending conferences or anything. But whatever I show, the presentations or content, everything. So I usually rely on Sandesh, who is leading our AI team. He's like data science manager. And I also brought one of our gems who lives here in Florida. His name is Partha Manori, as a principal data scientist, who is the brain behind this LLM. That's what our team is going to talk about it. So it's basically ChatGPT type. So Partha developed that Lamo. He is the brain behind that product, and now I am trying to sell that to various companies or clients, especially from oil and gas and healthcare. But as you know, AI is not limited to any particular industry or company or client. So we are targeting almost any companies. For example, we are talking to a manufacturing company in India, and oil and gas companies here in Houston and US. And I'm talking to one healthcare hospital from Florida, one in Florida, I think another one is from Colorado. So we are targeting various companies and clients and trying to understand their challenges, how we can help them from AI perspective, because I want to build our company as an AI technology, especially on emerging technologies, but specifically on artificial intelligence. That's my main goal. And also, you know even though we are mostly focused around IT staffing from our BLS plus companies, but eventually we want to focus on providing solutions and products as well on AI and other technologies. So with that, I asked our team, the first task I gave them is, hey, let us have a like an internal demo, showcase what we have done so far and what we are doing and what we will be doing. My main goal is to let our internal employees and friends and their friends know that what we are capable of doing, so that may help us, especially our W2 consultants. I know they are working at various clients, and once they know what are our capabilities, I hope they will help us to talk to their managers, their connections, and at least they know what we can deliver, so that our consultants also can be a part of those projects. And that's the main purpose of this demo. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much once again for your valuable time joining. And I will hand it over to Sandesh Hunting. Sandesh, please go ahead.
Thank you, Maleshwar. First of all, good morning and good evening to everyone. This is Sandesh, and I guess some of you may already know me from our meet in Hyderabad. So just want to extend it and would like to take you through, some of our previous work that we have done, a previous project that we are proud to share. So here on your screen, you can see a couple of projects that we have mentioned, and I will go one by one on that part. So, yep. So first of all, the first project that you can see is more of a like AI MedScan. That is the name. It's a AI powered medical scanning application. It's more of a like a medical diagnosis tool, which kind of uses a AI algorithm, image processing algorithm to detect disease, particularly let's say pneumonia and other disease from chest X-rays and predict whether the person is having pneumonia or not. So this product we developed around like couple of years back, and I think 2 to 3 years back. And post that, we have made another project that is more of a financial side domain. Previous one was of healthcare side domain. Now the financial, the second one that you can see, it's more of a earn with AI enabled model. The name that we have given for that is My Stock AI. It's usually a AI model that predicts the stock market trends. Moreover, like 200 stocks that we have used of past 5 years of data that can give us the next 5 days of trend, whether that stock market is going up or down, just a trend or the exact number, because it depends on multiple things. So using that trend, we are able to make decisions whether to go with the stock or leave it. And apart from that, we have also worked on some analysis, BI size, side of the business, more of a like business intelligence point of view, where we have delivered multiple reports for different companies for IT serve, complete dashboard from scratch till end. And now currently in our current project, that is our Mo chatbot. It's more of a like a AI chatbot that is like a front help desk, and we are developing it. We'll talk about more on this. My team will explain you what is Mo chatbot, what is chatbot, and this is ongoing project that we are involved in. So now, based on this, I would like my colleague Kavita to take over and explain you about AI and everything. Please go ahead, Kavita.
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kavita. I'm the new data scientist from Kalpra Tech. I'm really excited to be part of this team and to learn from all you. For now, let me introduce you to artificial intelligence. Before that, going to AI, let's have a look at human intelligence. Human intelligence. Man invented inventions with his knowledge or brain is called human intelligence. For example, cars, computers, planes, etc. Coming to AI, artificial intelligence exhibited by machines or algorithms. For example, Siri, Tesla, Alexa, etc. In a sense, AI is a technique of getting machines to work and behave like humans. AI is not just one system, but a broad range of technologies and approaches that can be mainly divided into two categories: narrow AI and general AI. The AI is surrounded in a daily life, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to chatbots like ChatGPT, Bird, and Sage are all part of Narrow or VKI. We call them VKI because these machines do not have human-like sense. They can't think for themselves. On the other hand, we can see Hollywood version of AI, like the Ultron from Avengers and Terminators, are all examples of strong AI. An ideal of strong AI would be designed to look like a human, have human-like sense, and undergo the same education and learning process, just like a child. It could potentially solve complex problems. Let's have a look at the technologies. AI technologies refers to various techniques, methods, and tools that enable machines, particularly computers, to stimulate human-like intelligence. These technologies encompass a wide range of subfields such as machine learning, computer vision, natural language, robotics, and more. They allow machines to learn, reason, understanding, and make decisions. It's based on data. Coming to benefits of AI. AI offers a range of benefits, including enhanced automations, data-driven insights, and its improved decision-making, and also it increases efficiency and the potential to create innovative solutions across the various industries. It's available by 24/7. AI can work endless, which means without breaks, and they think much faster than humans, and also perform multiple tasks at a time with accurate results. They can even handle tedious repetitive jobs easily with the help of AI. The ultimate of AI is to mimic humans and on top of that, think on its own and make decisions. This is all about AI. Thank you all for welcoming me. And now my colleague Teja will take over and explain concept about Moichan. Thank you all.
Hi everyone. This is Teja from Kalpra Tech. Now we will give you a brief view about chatbot, more chatbot, and about its central functions and its capabilities. Coming to chatbot, chatbot is a software designed in such a way that by taking input query of human text or voice as input, and it will generate automatic responses output by internal program-based algorithms to give you solutions to the particular query. Coming to real life examples of chatbot, like we are using Zomato and Swiggy. If you have any queries, you will directly go to chatbot section of Zomato or Swiggy, and you will give your input query there, and the machine will take your query as input. It will generate automatic response by its internal program-based algorithm. Now, coming to another example, like virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. If you give command to it, it will automatically generate response by directly going to different channels, and it will give you information. For example, if you say Alexa, just give me the information about the Chalon mission spacecraft, which is being launched by our Indian ISRO on September 2nd. It will give brief information about that Chalon mission. By based upon your voice recognition, it will give you the information. You are not here doing any Google search. It is based upon your voice. It is going to the channel and giving the information. Here, the input is voice. In first example, Zomato Swiggy, the voice is the input is text. Based upon these two instances, we can know that chatbot is nothing but it is an conversation between human and machine, and it is available 24/7 hour, and it save customer service cost. Now, this is our product, Mo Chatbot, our design product. Mo Chatbot is designed to meet the action of making or changing something according to the buyer's or user needs. Mo Chatbot is designed in a flexible way that it can fit or meet the customer requirement, and it is easily adaptable to the changes of the business requirement of the client as well. Now, Mo Chatbot user-friendly interface allows customers to operate it quickly and easily get the information they need, and they can operate with ease. Mo can help you automate customer support, increase efficiency, and improve overall customer satisfaction as well. It is easily customizable and adaptable to your specific business needs. Let's look upon. I will differentiate between traditional chatbot and our Mo chatbot. In traditional chatbot that you see outside market, it will give only about website information. When you search like Zomato interface, Swiggy, it will give information about that website. And other than that, it won't give any information. But in our Mo chatbot, we are using LLM, which is called large language model. It will give you information outside as well. Like if you ask any SQL programming or any programming or arithmetic operation, it will give. Not like traditional chatbot, it will give. That you will see briefly in our live demo that I will give you. Now, coming to analytical insight, this feature is available in our Mo chatbot. What it will do is we will take the information of Mo client which is available in our Mo chatbot. We will take that input data and we will take any visualization tool and visualize so that the business target which they want to achieve, we can show in it how much they are beyond or above the target, we can show them, and which results to increase the overall efficiency of the company business growth as well. This is the important feature of Mo chatbot. It will increase overall efficiency of business growth as well. Coming to key features of our Mo chatbot is we are using LLM as I mentioned in earlier said. LLM is nothing but large language model which can adapt to large data sets, information, and it can handle large set of complex stuff without even extensive programming. Means less programming it can do without even. And key features in it are when you go to the our chatbot, it will give outside information like how you search in Google engine. It will give you the data of SQL and Python. Next, coming to this slide, benefits of chatbot. It is available 24/7, and it is less affordable when compared to any other chatbots that are available in the market. And it is user-friendly interface, and it can give answers in very less quick time when you give your input. Coming to security aspect, and this is one of the important aspect of security and privacy, because when client trusts you and give you his data, you should be stored in a secure server. We will store the data in a secure server, and Mo takes security and support seriously. Mo is constantly updated with the latest security protocols to keep your data safe, and the data of client is securely stored in a server. With Mo, you can trust that your data is in good hands. Coming to real world examples, Mo is used in industries, health clinics, and hotels, etc. Please spare me a few minutes. I will give you live demo of our Mo chatbot. You're seeing this in this ByteLinks product. We have deployed our Mo chatbot here. We have deployed, and if you see here ByteLinks as product, we have different clients that we will deploy our Mo chatbot like this. Coming to this is the interface of Mo chatbot. When you go open this, it will ask like this. And what your name? It will ask you some basic information. And do some basic information. And now we can explore. I will start with basic information. What are the innovative products of ByteLink systems? It will be innovative. These are the innovative products of ByteLink system. This website, AA Mediscan, MyStockCare, reporting dashboards, as earlier said by our colleague Sandesh. If you want to explore, you can explore this more on AA Medical. It will elaborate. And now coming to another question of our website, in which industries does ByteLink systems have expertise and experience. Yeah, these are the industries that Whiteling's expertise. You can see healthcare, financial services, information technology. These two questions data, this is like traditional chatbot. We can see this information. You can see any other traditional chatbot, but we are, as I said, we are using large language model. We can get out of the box as well. Now I will give some out of the box questions as well. Yeah. Yeah. Can it will be. Yeah. This is outside the box question. You can ask any question like Google engine, it will answer you. And now, if you want any recipe, it will give the recipe of coffee. It will give the recipe of coffee like this. And we can perform some mathematical operations as well. I will give one question. Divided by physics. And this is the answer. If you think this question is right, you can Google it as well for checking. 7, 5. And the answer is 30.80. Same answer you can see here. It is accurate. The answer is also accurate here. Like this, we can use our product. And now we'll show our actual product. This is MoChatbot. If you go to this website, mochatbot.com, it will give a clear picture. This interface we are actually deploying in any client's website. This is about our product. Yeah. If you want to see our blog, you can go and about our products, industries, blog. If you want to see, you can. Blog, yeah, this is our blog. You can see about our blog as well. Chatbot. You can see our chat as well. So, and products also you can see. Our products we are offering. AI chatbot and benefits. You can see, you can explore it. Industries we are currently using. Yeah. Thank you everyone for your attention. This is my bot, MoChatbot. Now my colleague Sandesh will take over, and he will explain you about LLM large language model internal functions and LLM and he will explain about our newly launched Kalpra Academy website as well.
Very much thank you, Kavita and Teja, for explaining this. Now, I hope you all got the idea about what's our previous projects or what's our ongoing project is all about. Just want to take a few minutes to explain you what's our next plan, along with the technology behind the scenes. So we are using here a large language model, and it's kind of a very capable and secure, if you ask me, in terms of data privacy, which is a main concern. And it is based on latest trends of AI, that is generative AI. Can you go to the next slide, Teja? Yeah. So generative AI, in short, is wouldn't go much technical on this, but generative AI is more of a like a latest branch of artificial intelligence, you can say. It's more of nowadays you see content is being generated. So let it be image generation, video generation, or audio that is being generated by generative AI. And that's the reason we decided to implement this latest tech on our enterprise level move, or call it as a move for large businesses. So can you go to the next slide? So if you talk about advantages of using LLM over traditional bot. First of all, it's more of like it will reduce the development time. It's scalable and can be trained on any sorts of data source. Let it be PDF, text, or any sorts. Since we are using Gen AI or generative AI, it can pretty much answer anything. And that is the reason we decided to take it to the next level or for enterprise level. And there are some technical terms why we are using for the next level, enterprise level. So we are also planning this to take to the next level. If you go to the previous slide where there is an actual robot, Teja, back. Yeah. So here you can see we are also planning to next level, like integrating our Mo chatbot with the actual robot, so it can answer queries that is being asked by the clients or anyone for any particular space. We call it as a enterprise level Mo, or call it as a LaMo uh, or large language Mo. So can you go to the next slide of LaMo?
Lamb, it is upper also. Lamb.
So
Yes.
as I mentioned about its capabilities of data governance and security, it also extends the capabilities of fine tuning and customization based on client data or requirement of the data. So in the next slide, you can see the process of LAMO in terms of responsibilities that we currently have as a team. So with that, I want to conclude on current progress. That is, we are planning on more chatbot that we have for basic version as well as for enterprise level. And yes, we are receiving good response for this using when we use the latest trend of AI. With that conclusion, I would like to take your attention to our next upcoming plan that is in pipeline. That is more of a Kalpra Academy. It's a place to learn and grow, and this is going to be launched soon, as it contains a large number of courses, starting with data science, Python, cybersecurity, Power BI, and others. We have been doing this previously as well, but now we are launching it officially. Previously, we have completed around like 15 batches on data science and trained over hundreds of students. So this is our like upcoming pipeline that we are working on currently, and we are going to launch Kalpra Academy soon. And apart from this, I also want to show you a video that is created using AI. The voice is generated using AI, image is generated using AI, or we can use our image as well. And this one is also we are planning, and it's still in the progress. Yeah, Teja, can you play this one?
Can I play?
Hello, I'm Dr. Maliswar Yanugu, CEO and founder of Kalpra Academy. Our mission is not just to educate, but to empower. We offer cutting-edge courses ranging from data science to cybersecurity, ensuring students are primed for the tech industry's demands. Beyond education,
Yeah, that's it.
we're
Well,
also pioneering innovation by developing
it's actually
AI-based products that
currently
are
stuck,
shaping the
but
future.
here you can
I
see the
invite you to
voice
join us at Kalpra
is
Academy,
synced
where education
with
meets
the
innovation.
action
Together,
and
let's
image and everything. This whole thing is created using AI itself. The sync of a person speaking, the voice, everything is in sync. And this is the one that we are also planning. We are also working on it and still in the progress. So these are, and I hope you got pretty much idea that what we have done previously, what is our current project, and what is the upcoming pipeline. So with that, once again, I would like to thank you for attending this call, and please feel free to ask any questions or suggestions you have for us. And thank you very much.
Thank you, team. Thank you, Sandesh, Kavita, and Teja. So, team, basically, whatever slides you have seen, in fact, our team used an AI application to prepare this PowerPoint as well. So, we are trying to use AI wherever we can. So, that's one thing. And also, as I mentioned, we want to make like an AI apps team, which is not specific to any industry, not particular to any particular client, etc. but we'll be building multiple applications. So that's why I call this team as AI apps, Kalpra Tech AI apps team, which will be building multiple apps. In fact, now they started working on couple more. One is around resume AI. We actually spoke to a client earlier this year on finding the better matching profiles or resumes from databases. And another one is we are trying to work on the more on the digital marketing side as well. For example, as I mentioned, we are starting a digital marketing team. So how we can bring more AI into digital marketing world. So we are brainstorming on that one as well, so that we can package it and try to sell that product as well. Okay, and as Sandesh mentioned, in my recent trip, what I found is all these graduate students who are graduating, completing BTech, etc. But it is it is becoming difficult for them to find the jobs, and that's where actually I started my career from non-IT to IT side, is where I started training on data science and Python almost 3 years back. So I want to start this Kalpra Academy, especially focusing the recent grads in India, and we will be training them on emerging technologies. So I have been talking to government of Telangana as well, how we can help the students from Telangana, through their task. They have a government entity called Task. So initially we'll be providing few trainings on data science AI. And apart from that, remember we are also a business company. We want to make it commercialized. So we are planning to conduct a 3 or 4 days in-person training, full day training for 4 days in Siddipet. Actually, I asked our team, our managers in Siddipet, to start looking out for the venue and logistics. So that's what we are planning. Once we see some traction there, maybe we will be expanding it into other emerging technologies on cybersecurity, etc. So this is the plan, guys. So I really thank all of you for your continued support and efforts to making our company or companies growing day by day. Thank you so much. You have any questions, team? Anyone has any questions? Okay, if you have any questions later on, also you know how to reach me. So I'd be happy to discuss with you. So once again, thank you all. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you everyone for
Thank you, Madhu.
attending.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you
Bye.
everyone. Bye.
Thank you.